Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create new Ionos email address. The first thing I want you to do is come to the top, click on menu, and then click here on email. Okay, now I want you to locate the domain where you have your email set up. So we'll use this domain. Click on select, and to create a new one, as you can see I already have one. If you want to create new ones, you just come here and you click on create email address right here. And now you choose the setup type. Okay, I'll just use this one. Okay, mail basic 2GP. Click on create, and then we proceed further. So this is my domain that I'm using, the one that I have available. And now you can enter the first string of this email. Okay, so I'll enter this one right here, legend2713, and enter sp.co.uk. Now I want you to enter your password. Okay, and if you want to forward emails, you can add that as well. You can choose, security. These ones are just at an additional cost. If you want, those are add-ons. And then you can save this. Literally that easy. You have set up your email, your password. You just save this and you can go ahead and log in. Okay, just scroll all the way down here and you can go to webmail and log in right there as well. But otherwise, it is really that easy. That is how to create a new Ionos email address.